Looking for the best survival tools that are reliable, affordable, and easy to get? In this video, we're breaking down 8 must-have survival tools available right now on Amazon. Perfect for camping, prepping, hiking, bug-out bags, and emergencies. Whether you're a beginner prepper, an outdoor enthusiast, or just building a go bag for emergencies, these Amazon survival tools are trusted, tested, and ready when you need them most. Fire if you love exploring nature. Make sure to subscribe for more videos on survival gear, camping gadgets, hiking tools, and outdoor essentials every week. Stay prepared anywhere with the Raynic emergency radio, a reliable all-in-one survival companion. Equipped with a 5,000 mAh battery, 18,500 mWh, it powers your devices through Type-C charging, solar panel, or hand crank, keeping you connected in any situation. Tune in to AM, FM, SW, and NOAA weather alerts to stay informed during hurricanes, storms, or emergencies. Features include a bright flashlight, SOS siren, and headphone jack for private listening. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for camping, hiking, home backup, or your emergency kit. Never be caught off guard. Stay safe with Raynic. Unleash professional precision in your kitchen with the INMAKER kitchen torch, delivering a powerful 2,552 degrees Fahrenheit 1,440 degrees Celsius flame for perfect searing, caramelizing, and finishing touches. Designed for versatility, it's ideal for cooking, baking, barbecue, creme brulee, and light soldering tasks. The adjustable flame control lets you switch from gentle browning to intense heat in seconds. Compact, refillable, and easy to use, this butane torch ensures safety with its sturdy build and secure ignition. Butane gas not included. A must-have culinary tool for home chefs and food enthusiasts who want to create restaurant-quality dishes at home. Tackle any task on the go with the Teslong 18-in-1 EDC Multitool pliers, designed for everyday carry, outdoor adventures, and emergency use. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this versatile tool includes pliers, scissors, a pocket knife, screwdrivers, a saw, and replaceable wire cutters, all with a secure self-locking design for safe, easy operation. Perfect for camping, hiking, survival, or DIY projects, it packs essential tools into a compact, portable form that fits in your pocket or gear bag. A practical and reliable gift for men, dads, or anyone who values preparedness and efficiency outdoors or at home. Navigate with confidence using the INMAKER compass, designed for outdoor survival, camping, hiking, and navigation. This luminous compass ensures clear reading even in low light, while the built-in survival whistle adds an essential safety feature for signaling in emergencies. Compact and lightweight, it easily fits into your pocket or backpack, making it perfect for kids, beginners, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Whether you're exploring trails, teaching navigation skills, or preparing for emergencies, this durable compass is a reliable companion for all your adventures. Be prepared for anything with this 13-in-1 survival multi-tool hammer, the ultimate gift for outdoor lovers and handymen. Featuring a sturdy hammer, pliers, knife, saw, screwdrivers, and more, it's perfect for camping, hiking, emergencies, or everyday tasks. Crafted from durable stainless steel with an ergonomic grip, this compact gadget easily fits in a backpack, car, or toolbox. An ideal stocking stuffer or gift for men, dads, boyfriends, husbands, grandpas, or even adventurous women. Great for Christmas, birthdays, Valentine's, or Father's Day. Practical, cool, and ready for action whenever you need it. Upgrade your outdoor adventures with the VEITORLD 12-in-1 survival gear kit, a perfect all-in-one tool set for camping, fishing, hiking, hunting, and emergencies. This compact survival kit includes essential tools like a fire starter, emergency whistle, wire saw, tactical pen, and more, all packed in a durable, portable case. Designed for men, dads, husbands, boyfriends, teens, and even adventurous women, it makes a great Christmas gift, birthday present, or stocking stuffer. Whether you're exploring the wilderness or preparing for the unexpected, this unique kit keeps you ready for anything. Carry essential tools wherever you go with the edcfans Keychain Knife Carabiner Multitool. Compact and versatile, this pocket-sized gadget combines a Tanto-style knife, box cutter, can slash bottle opener, screwdriver, wrench, and pry tools, all in one lightweight design that clips easily to your keys or backpack. Perfect for EDC, hiking, camping, and outdoor adventures, it keeps critical tools within reach for any task. Made from durable stainless steel, it's built to last and designed for both men and women who value practicality and preparedness. A perfect gift for anyone who loves everyday carry gear or wants a reliable mini multi-tool on the go. Be ready for any outdoor challenge with this camping fixed blade knife, designed for survival, hunting, and everyday tasks. Crafted with a razor-sharp 440C stainless steel blade, it delivers precision cutting and long-lasting edge retention. The full tank construction ensures durability and strength, while the included sheath makes it safe and easy to carry on camping trips, hikes, or outdoor adventures. Perfect for bushcraft, survival, hunting, or daily life, this versatile knife combines practicality, toughness, and reliability. A must-have tool for collectors, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who values quality gear in the wild.